Hello viewers, this is Karuna classes for Electrical and Electronics Engineering. I am Vijay Singh. I am technically skilled and chartered engineer. In this presentation, we will discuss about electric circuit and network. We will know about the electric circuit and circuit elements frequently used in electric circuitry system. What is electric circuit? Electric circuit is a closed path of electric current. It consists of a number of electrical elements such as resistance, inductance and capacitance. The electric circuit may be an open or a closed circuit. The open circuit does not provide a closed path for electric current. The open circuit has a break in its path. The closed circuit commences from a point of the circuit and eventually returns to the same point. The figure 1 shows the examples of an open circuit and a closed circuit. So here is the figure 1 which demonstrates the circuit, that is open circuit and closed circuit. Network, it is a combination or an interconnection of a number of electric circuit elements. The input to a network is normally referred to as excitation or stimulus, and the output is termed as response as shown in the figure 2. The excitation represents energy supplied to the network by an external source, and the response represents the utilization at some other point. The figure 2 shows excitation and response relationship. For electrical network, the excitation and response are given in terms of voltage and current, which are functions of time. These functions of time are called signals. Thus, a signal can also be described in terms of frequency. The network analysis deals with determining the response of the given network when it is excited. Circuit elements. These are the individual components of an electric circuit. Almost all electrical elements have two terminals. The circuit elements are either active element or passive element or linear element. Active elements are the energy source, that is, as for example, voltage or current source. The elements or devices having internal energy sources are known as active elements, as for example, oscillators, amplifiers and capacitors. Power source, AC or DC power sources are necessary to run the electric circuit. Power sources symbols are shown in the figure 3, of which A shows AC source and the B shows DC source. Passive elements are the elements which are not energy source. The passive element transform or store energy. Resistance, inductance and capacitance are examples of passive elements. Resistor, it is the two-terminal passive electrical component which offers resistance to the flow of current. Resistance is the property of the resistor which opposes the flow of current through the resistor. Its unit is ohm. Resistor symbols, these are shown in the figure 4, of which part A shows fixed value resistors and part B, that is variable resistors. Capacitor, it is the physical device that stores electrical energy and releases when required. Capacitance is the ability of the capacitor to store charge. Its unit is farad in SI units. The reciprocal of capacitance is elastance. Capacitor symbols are shown in the figure 5, of which part A shows unipolar capacitor, B shows bipolar capacitor, C shows variable capacitor. Inductor, it consists of an insulated wire wound over air core, that is, there is no any magnetic substance inside the coil. Inductance, denoted by the letter L, is the property of an inductor and is defined as the flux linkage per ampere. It is also known as coefficient of self-induction. Inductor symbols are shown in the figure 6, in which the fixed value inductor and variable inductor are shown. Linear elements are those which follow the Ohm's law, that is, in which the relation between the voltage and the current is linear. For example, E is equal to Ri, E is equal to dy by dt, and E that is also equal to 1 by C I dt, integral I dt. Lamp and distributed network and element. Lump network. It is one in which resistance, inductance and capacitance can be physically separated. The values of resistance, inductance and capacitance etc. are deemed to be concentrated or lumped. Lumped elements are physically separate elements such as resistance, inductance and capacitance are defined as lumped elements. Distributed network, it is one in which the distributed elements like resistance, inductance and capacitance cannot be separated for electrical purposes. For example, transmission lines has distributed resistance, inductance and capacitance along its length. Bilateral element, these are the elements which can be transmitted in either direction. It is termed as bilateral elements. Elements of high conductivity and iron core conductor are bilateral elements. Unilateral element, these are the elements which have different laws relating to voltage and current for different directions of current. Vacuum tubes, crystal and metal rectifiers are unilateral elements. Linear and nonlinear network. The network whose response is directly proportional to the excitation is called a linear network. The linear network is governed by a linear differential equation for all values of applied input and expected output. The network whose response is not directly proportional to the excitation is called nonlinear network. The nonlinear network is governed by a nonlinear differential equation for all values of applied input and output. The linear elements must be bilateral, however, bilateral elements are not necessarily linear, such as iron core inductor. Branch. The branch of a circuit is a group of elements and sources combined to form a device with two terminals. Thus, a branch may contain a number of elements and may have sources connected together. Node or junction or terminal. It is the common point of the connection of two or more branches. In the figure 7 shown below, B and C are the nodes or junction or terminal in the electrical network. So, an electrical network is shown in the figure 7. Loop. It is a set of branches forming a closed path of the network. A, B, F, G and B, C, D, F are two loops of the network as shown in the figure 7. If any of the branches is omitted, the remaining branches ceases to form a closed path. Mesh. If the loop contains no other loop, it may be referred to as a mesh. In other words, a loop which does not contain any other loop or loops within it is called mesh. That's all about the electric circuits and network. In the next presentation, we will talk about resistors and their types. Thank you all for watching.